Yeah, guys, I hope you're all doing good, and I want to take you to the first assignment given us on ALX. It's going to be a short one anyway. So this is how you go about it. You realize that when you look at my dashboard, it's ticked here done. That means this particular one is completed. So we are going to the second one, and that is what I'll be taking you through, just step by step, and after that I think you can do the rest by yourself. Yeah, so first off, processes are running in sessions, blah 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 blah, close it away. Okay, so what you do is you download this software called Git. As you can see, when you download it, I'm using the 64-bit, so I downloaded 64-bit one and I installed it. So when you install it, it's going to appear like this on your machine, like this. Yeah, Git bash. So when that happens, all you need to do is to come now, open your project. You know where to find your projects. We've already been taught that. So you go to where you find your project. I've done the project 0. I'm now going to project 1. So what do? I go to get a sandbox. Right now, note what they are telling us to do in the project. They said let me write it down so you could also write it down somewhere. They said we should create we should change the working directory to root, so cd to root, and then we should copy. Yes, we should copy the file school, copy school, copy file, which is cp school, to what, to tmp. Are you getting it? Copy file to tmp. So that is what we are coming to do now. So get we open our sandbox. When you open it, it's going to come this way. Then what are you going to do again when you open your sandbox? Okay, so when you open your sandbox, what you are going to do basically is you're going to open let me do this. You're going to open GitHub. Okay, you're going to open GitHub, and it will appear this way. So you come and copy your ssh command. When you copy it, you go to GitHub and basically you paste. When you paste, you press enter. It's going to ask for the password. Then you go ahead, copy the password, which is down here, password. So copy the password. So copy it and paste. Then after you paste, you press enter. Please, when you copy it and you paste it, that because it's a password, it's not going to show in writing. So when you just paste it and you're sure you've pasted, then you press enter. Then when you go now, after you've entered this way and you see this root at do whatever, then you start your assignment, which is cd, then root, then enter. Then what did they say you should do again? They said you should do copy, which is CP. Remember the resources they gave us, all these things are there. The shortcut for you to do or should I say the command you are going to use for list, the command you are going to use for change, the command you are going to use for display, all those things are there. So you have to go and read that resources. Please go and read that resources they gave us, and you are going to get all the necessary commands there. Then when you are done with that, you start the assignment. That is why I think they gave us about 8 days. But if you are fast enough, you can go read, then write the necessary commands you think you need for the assignment. Then you come and do the assignment, then read the rest later, so that you can get more knowledge about it to be able to do it on your own. So I think after this they said we should copy school to TMP. So you go to what command is for copy is CP. The CP is for copy, so we kept C and P there. Then you space bar, then you write school, and they said the school, what are you doing? What are you doing is school to what? From school to what? TMP. When you are done, you press enter. Then after this, what you are going to do, you want to check whether whatever you have done is correct. Then you do ls, then enter. So as you can see, they said not here, old school, ready to be removed, school so cool. I get it. Yeah. So when you are done with this, what do? Would you just stop here, or there is something you are going to do? Yes, if you stop here, nothing is going to work. So you close the sandbox here, then you come to check code and press check code. So you say start check code. So you realize that they've marked me all correct, which means I'm done with this one too. So when you are done, you realize that automatically the done will be checked. So guys, that is how you are going to do the project. So you continue that way till you end all the projects. Thank you, and see you next time if they give us another project. God bless you all.